sweet boy. Are you resting? Huh? Oh my goodness, you smiled. You smiled. Yeah. This is the camera. You gotta get used to this. You're gonna see a lot of it. Yeah. You getting a little bit hungry? Yeah, you're rooting a little bit? I can help you with that. Just a little bit. What do you say? You hanging out with Mama Wrights today? And Dada and Big Brother are out at the park? Yeah. Is it getting to be time for a little snack? Okay. Yeah, it's time. Okay. Oh, God bless you. Oh, God bless you.